Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Creative Fabrica subscription quickly and easily. If you no longer need your Creative Fabrica subscription or want to avoid automatic renewal, I'll guide you step by step on how to cancel it. First is go to their website and click on Logged In and enter your account details. And then after that, click on your profile and click on My Account. And then from there, go to the Subscriptions tab. And here you will be able to see your subscription details. In my case, I'm not subscribed to any of Fabrica's plans right now. Now, if you're currently subscribed to their subscription plan, you will see manage subscription, and you just have to look for the cancel option and follow the on-screen instruction. And that's how you cancel your Creative Fabrica subscription. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.